Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find the privacy protection right here. Now let's tap on special permissions, and here we have to scroll down in order to find install unknown apps. Let's tap. Here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. Just find the app and tap on it, and then tap on this switcher. As you can see here, we've got the warning that that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Just mark this statement that you're aware of possible risks and tap on OK. As you can see, it is active, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and the same situation whenever you want to remove previously granted permissions. Just tap and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.